The 2026 RAV4 is officially here, representing far more than just a refreshed version of the compact SUV you already know. Toyota has completely reimagined this segment leader with substantial upgrades that genuinely transform the driving experience. The company eliminated the traditional gas-only engine, introduced motorsport-inspired performance options, and redesigned nearly every aspect of this vehicle. Here are all 7 major changes proving this generation marks a turning point. 1. Exterior design reimagined. The first thing that strikes you about the 2026 RAV4 is how different it looks, despite keeping almost identical dimensions. The sleek, car-like proportions of the previous model give way to a more muscular, SUV-focused design, emphasizing capability and presence. Toyota introduces 3 distinct design personalities. The core models, including LE, XLE Premium, and limited trims, showcase refined traditional aesthetics with clean paint-matched grills. The sport personality, represented by SE, XSE, and the brand new GR Sport, features dramatically different front ends with larger aggressive grills and oversized air intakes. The woodland trim brings back an adventure-ready aesthetic with a distinctive split hammerhead grille, LED fog lights, all-terrain tires, and increased ground clearance of 8.5 inches. The rear design receives the most striking transformation. All models gain sleek horizontal LED taillights with vertical light elements, creating a contemporary appearance. RAV4 lettering is boldly displayed across the tailgate. 2. Interior elevated. Moving into the cabin, the 2026 RAV4 directly addresses one of the biggest complaints about the previous generation. This new cabin receives a complete refresh with modern finishes and abundant technology. The center console design gets a clever 2-level layout, designating specific spaces for multiple smartphones without sacrificing cup holder functionality. Front passengers gain access to a built-in dashboard tray, and cup holders feature removable inserts for larger bottles. The shifter arrangement differs across the lineup. Core and rugged trims feature a compact shifter controlling a new shift-by-wire system, creating extra space and clean appearance. Sport and GR Sport models get a chunkier shifter reminiscent of the Tacoma, providing a more substantial, truck-like feel. Limited models showcase Toyota's Softex faux leather upholstery, extending to the front door panels. Woodland models add an embossed pattern, rubber floor mats, and striking orange accent trim. GR Sport models receive exclusive suede sport seats with distinctive GR logos and red stitching. 3. Technology advanced. The technology overhaul in the 2026 RAV4 is genuinely revolutionary. Every RAV4 comes equipped with a massive 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, representing a huge leap from the 7-inch display in the previous model. This new cluster places navigation graphics directly in your line of sight, reducing time looking away from the road. The infotainment system receives an equally impressive upgrade. Base models feature a high-resolution 10.5-inch touchscreen, while limited, XSE, and GR Sport models step up to a sprawling 12.9-inch display. These run Toyota's latest infotainment system that's noticeably cleaner, crisper, and significantly faster. Every 2026 RAV4 includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Climate controls blend physical buttons with touchscreen elements thoughtfully. The most significant technological advancement is the debut of Toyota's Arene software platform, transforming the RAV4 into a software-defined vehicle. This enables over-the-air updates not only for infotainment features, but potentially for advanced driver assistance capabilities. 4. Safety Sense 4.0 arrives. Here's where the 2026 RAV4 makes automotive history. This vehicle becomes the very first Toyota to feature the all-new Toyota Safety Sense 4.0. This represents a massive upgrade from the current Safety Sense 2.5 system found in most Toyota vehicles. Safety Sense 4.0 builds on its proven foundation with significant improvements and entirely new capabilities. The system includes an upgraded forward-facing camera with higher resolution and wider viewing angle, plus an improved radar sensor. These hardware enhancements allow for substantially better detection and response to potential hazards. The pre-collision system receives major upgrades with superior detection of vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists across various driving conditions. Lane recognition becomes more precise. Adaptive cruise control offers smoother acceleration and braking. Most exciting is the introduction of proactive driving assist, offering help with braking and steering in tricky situations. This system can slow your vehicle when approaching curves or assist with avoiding pedestrians. 5. GR Sport Performance. Toyota brings serious performance credentials through the introduction of the all-new GR Sport trim. It represents direct involvement from Toyota's Gazoo racing division, bringing motorsport expertise to a compact SUV for the first time. The GR Sport features unique 20-inch wheels wrapped in summer performance tires, a larger aggressive black grille, and a front fascia with oversized air intakes. A contrasting black roof and prominent rear spoiler complete the aggressive look. The suspension and steering receive new calibrations tuned by the GR team, paired with stickier performance tires and larger brakes. The GR Sport is available exclusively with the plug-in hybrid powertrain, delivering 324 horsepower total system output, making it the most powerful RAV4 ever. 6. Pricing strategy. The base hybrid model starts around $35,000, representing a $1,300 increase over current RAV4 hybrid starting prices. Buyers receive significantly more technology, capability, and efficiency. The range-topping GR Sport approaches $50,000, positioning it in line with other performance-oriented compact SUVs. Current RAV4 hybrids spend less time on dealer lots than the national average, confirming buyers willingly pay for electrified powertrains when they deliver real benefits. 7. Hybrid-only powertrain. For the first time in the model's history, gasoline-only engines completely disappear from the lineup. The standard hybrid system combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 226 horsepower in front-wheel drive models, and 236 horsepower in all-wheel drive versions. The redesigned plug-in hybrid delivers up to 324 horsepower total system output. The larger battery pack now offers up to 52 miles of estimated electric-only range, representing a significant 10-mile improvement. This expanded range means drivers could operate in electric-only mode the vast majority of the time, reducing fuel consumption and emissions substantially. The 2026 RAV4 represents a fundamental shift in how Toyota approaches the compact SUV segment. These 7 major changes create a vehicle that's more capable, more efficient, and more refined than any RAV4 before it. Whether you prioritize efficiency, performance, luxury, or adventure, the redesigned RAV4 lineup offers a personality matching your lifestyle perfectly. Ready to experience the new standard? Subscribe to stay updated on the 2026 RAV4 arrival at dealerships. And don't miss our in-depth comparison videos showing how it stacks against other compact SUVs in its class. Thank you for watching.